women's team. Scott Board, did he already run earlier? I got him.
Go, Tom.
We need 2 volunteers for the top of the tower. If you'd like to volunteer, we can sure use you, and you get a bird's eye view of the course from up there. It's a little bit of work because you got to lower the hose every time, but it's worth it because you can see so good from up there. Hey, check it out. There's a race going on. Tom Mackey, Robert Board.
That way. Good tower. Come on, man. Let's go. Up your hips. Up your hips and hit hard. There you go. Up them. 2 hits. Go.
That Michael the Grand Prix is like a Rain Man with that camera or whatever. Getting all the angles.
Come on, Tom.